Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to connect other apps to access their information in ChatGPT. So if you want to connect other apps to ChatGPT just to access their information right from ChatGPT, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open your chat. Alright, so once you open your browser, then go to your ChatGPT website, which is chatgpt.com. then gain an access to this, which is the home page of ChatGPT. Then tap on the toe line icon at the left top corner, then tap on the profile name of your account, which is your profile, then tap on settings. Then from here click on connected app. Then from here you can see the list of apps that can be connected to your ChatGPT, and you can use the ChatGPT to access the information right within the ChatGPT app. So if you want to connect any of these apps to your ChatGPT, which for example Google Drive, then tap on connect. Then this will give you an open another website where you can simply log in your Google Drive account. You can see, so just input your Google Drive account. Just input your Google Drive account from here, then log in with your ChatGPT. Then once it is logged in, then you can now gain its access or access any of the information within your Google Drive, for example your Google Doc, your sheets, then your slide and other files that is present in your Google Drive. You can have access to it within the ChatGPT, and that's it. And something works with Microsoft, which is the OneDrive, which is the online storage for Microsoft account. Then this as well, which is the workspace for school. And that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.